Good morning everyone. I am Shweta. I am Faculty of English from Maitri Lower and Higher Primary School. In this class, we learn about subject and predicate. Subject and predicate, it is the grammar content. Okay. Subject and predicate, it is the two parts of a sentence. Anybody know what is the meaning of sentence? Sentence. Sentence, it is a group of words. It gives complete meaning. It makes complete sense. It is called sentence. A group of words that makes complete sense. Complete sense. It is called as sentence. See here student, Rama is going to school. Rama is going to school. How many words are here? There are 5 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rama, it is the first word. Is, it is the second word. Going, it is the third word. To, it is the fourth word. And school, it is the fifth word. These words are arranged meaningfully and it gives complete sense. It is called sentence. Okay. So, every sentence has 2 parts. Every sentence has 2 parts. First one is subject and second one is predicate. Subject, it is tells about the people or animal or things. The people or things. What we are talking about. What we are talking about. What we are talking about. And predicate, it tells about subject. It tells about subject. That means what subject is doing. What subject is doing. Okay. Every sentence has 2 parts like subject and predicate. Subject, it tells about the people or things. What we are talking about, it is subject. And predicate, it tells about subject. What subject is doing. Example, Rama and Sita are going to school. Are going to school. Which is subject in this sentence? Rama and Sita. We are talking about people. So, it is the subject. Who are going to school? Rama and Sita are going to school. It is the predicate. Because predicate always tells about subject. Who are going to school? Rama and Sita. So, subject Rama and Sita are going to school. Predicate. Subject tells about the people or things. What we are talking about. We are talking about Rama and Sita in this sentence. What they are doing? They are going to school. It is the predicate. Predicate tells something about subject. And second one, the lion is attacking attacking on the deer. In this sentence, the lion, it is the subject. Lion, it is subject because the subject tells about people or things or animal. The lion, it is the subject, and is attacking on the deer. It is the predicate. Who is attacking on the deer? The lion is attacking on the deer. Predicate tells about something. And third one, Suma is plucking flowers. Suma, it is subject. Suma, it is subject. Is plucking flowers, it is predicate. Who is plucking flowers? Suma. Suma, we are talking about people. So, Suma, it is the subject. What she is doing? She is plucking the flowers. Predicate tells about Suma. And next one, Raju drinks milk. Raju drinks milk. In this sentence, Raju, it is the subject. Raju, it is the subject. What he is doing? He drinks milk. It is the predicate. Okay, dear students, in this class we learnt about the parts of sentence like subject and predicate and meaning of sentence. Sentence means a group of words that makes complete sense, that gives complete meaning. It is sentence. And every sentence has two parts like subject and predicate. Subject tells about people or things what we are talking about. And predicate, it tells about subject, what subject is doing. It tells. Example, Rama and Sita are going to school. Rama and Sita, subject in this sentence. Are going to school, it is the predicate. Who are going to school? Rama and Sita. So predicate tells about subject. The lion is attacking on the deer. The lion, it is the subject. We are talking about lion. So subject is lion. Is attacking on the deer. It is the predicate. Who is attacking on the deer? The lion is attacking on the deer. So predicate tells about something. What subject is doing, it is tells predicate. And Suma is plucking flowers. Suma, it is the subject. Is plucking flowers, it is the predicate. Raju drinks milk. Who drinks milk? Raju. Raju, it is the subject. We are talking about Raju. Raju, it is the subject. Drinks milk. Who drinks milk? Raju. So predicate tells about Raju.